walking over the train tracks above them, looking down. What a dump. What a frickin' dump. Train tracks. Hear the train whistles, don't you? Those are real, honest to goodness train whistles. Jane and Liz. This side, more trains, more tracks, more dump. Back on this side, see the throngs of people waiting for the trains. Unbelievable dump. Unbelievable. More trains over here going different directions. All the unloaded packages, luggage, various accoutrements. Unbelievable. Unflickin' believable.
This is for the physically challenged.
What's that?
Do you see that this is for the physically challenged, second class
Physically challenged. They're over here, people waiting. People waiting. Can you see people waiting? Is it too dark to see the people waiting? It's an overcast day today. It's the worst day. Temperature's probably 58. It's a little cool today. It's been 66, 67 every day and sunny until today. All right, that's enough.